What's up with you guys? You know what time it is. It is time to get into another reaction video. I'm about to be reacting to TNT Boys and Regine. If you guys would like to check out the original video, that will be in the link in the description below. Make sure you guys comment. Let me know what you thought about this. You guys are all entitled to your opinion. And subscribe to my channel if you're new and you want to see more content released by me. Hit that thumbs up button if you want me to react to more of TNT Boys and Regine. And also share this video. I would really appreciate that. And if you guys got anything that you would like to see me react to, just comment below. I do read the comments. Let's get into it.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar.
She started off very good.
That tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none.
TNT Boys.
The sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, I love you tomorrow.
Their voices sound good together.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows, and what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So
Come on, boys.
we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong.
His hair is long.
Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me.
Oh, they're matching. That's dope.
That every wish would be heard.
Even Regine is matching them.
We wish on the morning star. Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. And look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? What do you think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. All of us under its spell. We know that it's probably magic.
Okay, Regine.
The sun will come back tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what
Everyone's getting up out their seat. They killed it. Great performance from TNT Boys and Regine. Now, I'm sure you guys would like to know my thoughts and opinion about this. I think they did a great job. Their voices went together, collided very well. It's some people that try to perform together and sing a song, and sometimes it doesn't go as planned. Sometimes it just doesn't sound well. When they sing alone, it sounds good. And I'm not talking about TNT Boys and Regine. I'm speaking on some artists that try to perform together. But when they sing together, when they sing alone, it sounds good when they do their parts separate. But when they try to come together and sing at the same time, it just doesn't sound good collided together. It sounds off, and it just sounds like it's off key. But with them, and this is not the first time that they have performed together on stage, it seems to sound good. Their voices just sound well together. TNT Boys did a phenomenal job. Regine did an amazing job, which I expected from both of them. The group, TNT Boys and Regine, I expected for them to do a great performance because they have history already. They both can sing. I have not reacted to Regine as much as I want to. I would like to react to her more on my channel because I really like her. She seems very humble. She seems like she's just a kind person. And she can really sing. She's definitely talented. She has a very beautiful voice. I have reacted to her performing with KZ. And I reacted to her performing with Morissette Amon. If you guys have not seen that yet, make sure you check it out on my channel. I will put a link in the description below. They did a great performance. Both of them, her performing with Morissette and her performing with KZ. I have really enjoyed doing those reaction videos. TNT Boys made it through. They're still on the world's best. I will be reacting to them. I will be supporting them. You guys that subscribe to my channel, you guys that watch my videos, know that I support TNT Boys to the fullest. I try to show as much support as I can. I react to them. I give my thoughts and opinions about them. And I just do everything that I can to show my full support for TNT Boys. I want to see them being known worldwide. I want them to have a legacy when they get older. And I want everyone to know of TNT Boys. Their fan base is growing very rapidly over time. As they're getting older, their voices is maturing and it's becoming even better. It's starting to sound more and more advanced. Their vocals are becoming stronger. And their voices are getting more deeper compared to 2017, 2016 when they were performing. I wasn't reacting to them during that time, but I have reacted to videos of them from 2016, 2017, even older videos I have reacted to before they were known as TNT Boys, the group, when they didn't even know of each other. And they sounded very young, of course, because they were young. Their voice is not going to sound deep at the age of 10 and 9. Of course, I wouldn't expect for that. I wouldn't expect for them to be that age and their voices be like, I didn't wanna. Nah, I don't expect for that. But you can tell over time how much more deeper their voices are becoming. I will continue to react to TNT Boys no matter what. I don't care if I'm old and I have a cane in my hand and I got gray hair and I can barely see and my vision is not as good as it used to be. I will still be reacting to TNT Boys because I really love them. They seem very humble, very appreciative of the position that they're in. They're very grateful. They didn't live the best lifestyle when they were younger. They all had situations that they were really anxious to get out of. And they came from nothing to something. They made that nothing into something. And that will motivate many kids and many people in the world that you may go through a tough time, but as time goes on, if you put in the work, if you put in the dedication and you really strive, you will see a big change. A change will come. But if you sitting around just in the situation that you want to be out of, you can't expect for anything to happen. Nothing just comes because you want it to come. Nothing is like magic. You can't just sit around and think about it and hoping that a change comes. You have to make that change happen. Only you can do it. No one else can do it for you. And even if someone else could do it for you and could make a change for you, it doesn't feel as good as you making a change for yourself. You never want to be able to say that someone made you. You want to be like, I made myself. That's one of the best feelings that you can have, when you know that you accomplished something from one situation to another situation that's much more better than your last situation. I really enjoyed this performance. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Tune in. TNT Boys will be on the world's best. I will be reacting to it. I am rooting for them. They're one of the competitors that I want to see win. Either TNT Boys or Dimash, whatever one of them was to win, I'm happy for either one of them. And either way, if neither one of them was to win and someone else was to win, congrats to them. I'm happy for them. But I know that TNT Boys and Dimash is going to continue to do what they love to do, which is showing the world what they have to offer and performing on stage and letting the world hear their amazing voices. So I'm not worried about them losing and then they give up and just look at it like, you know how some people, just because they lose a competition, you don't hear about them anymore, or they just give up on their dreams. TNT Boys are already successful. Dimash is already successful. They're already known. They're already established and have gained a fan base. So them losing the world's best, which well, of course, one of them is going to have to lose. But I highly think that one of them will win. For sure, for sure. Like, I'm 99% sure out of one, because on the show they really don't have competition. The people that I have seen and I just have not reacted to because my main focus is TNT Boys and Dimash. The other people is people that I'm not really, not saying it in a negative way, but I'm not really thinking of or wanting to support them. Not that I dislike them or dislike their talent. I have seen some people on there that have done some very shocking things on the show, but it's just that compared to TNT Boys or Dimash, no one else can compare. And they're doing very large numbers when their video is released on YouTube compared to the other competitors. TNT Boys, they're doing millions of views. These other competitors on the world's best, they're doing maybe 50K, 100K. 100K compared to even a million is a lot of difference. You guys subscribe to my channel if you're new and you want to see more content released by me. Hit that thumbs up button if you want me to react to more of TNT Boys and Regine, and also share this video. I would really appreciate that. And if you guys got anything that you would like to see me react to, just comment below. I do read the comments. I want more videos of Regine. You guys can even give me more videos of TNT Boys or anyone in general that you want to see me react to. Just comment it below. Give me a link. Therefore, I would know which video you would like for me to react to, so I don't have to go off the name that you're giving me and then search in and try to see which one is which, because I'm pretty sure it's a lot of people that have posted that same content, and some people content that they post may not be as clear or good quality as the next person. I know you guys are not going to give me no bad quality video. I know you guys are going to give me something that I can really see and visualize. I'm out. Peace.